Well, hello, kangaroos. This is Mrs. Fleming again, coming to you with some very important information. Okay? So, I want to give you these announcements so that you can keep them in mind. Announcement number one, the first announcement is that I want to talk to you about Zoom. Our Zoom meeting was pretty good, but we couldn't hear. There were a lot of background noises, and some of you didn't understand me, and I couldn't hear you. So we need to change a few things with our Zoom, okay? I asked around to try to figure out what the problem was, and I was told that when you boys and girls log on, that you need to click on mute. So at the bottom of the screen, you need to click on mute. That means no sound, so that we can't hear any background noises from any of the homes, okay? And then when you click on mute, I'm going to also click on mute on my computer so that we can't hear any noise at all. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to raise your hand so that you can talk to me. And then once you raise your hand, then I will unmute you so that everybody can hear you. Okay. Now, I was so happy to see 10 of you on Tuesday when we did our video call, our video meeting. So I was so glad to see you, but there were still some boys and girls that did not get on. So for you boys and girls that was not on with us on Tuesday, you need to remind your mom and dad to download the Zoom app from the App Store. Okay. Now there are quite a few Zooms in the App Store, so they need to download the one that says Zoom Cloud Meeting. Zoom Cloud Meeting. Okay. I'm going to send out another invitation on Friday morning, and then you need to be near your device Friday about 12 noon. So Friday at 12 noon, we will get together and talk a little bit more. Okay. All righty. Announcement number two. The second announcement is that Miss Pena says that every student will receive a work packet next week. For week 2, everybody's going to get the packet. Okay, so even you children that said you want to just do computer work, you're going to have the packet too. And then I am going to send you out a computer packet. And the reason I'm going to do that is that you boys and girls need to keep working on already. And the pencil paper packet didn't have any directions for you to go on already. And so I'm going to send you some work, send you a plan. And when you go on the plan, you'll see a blue link that says already. And that link is going to take you to Launchpad. You need your 2 numbers to get on Launchpad. And then once you're on Launchpad, you can go to Brain Pop Junior, you can go to A to Z, and you can go to iReady. Okay? Now, you can do any work that you want to do. You can pick out the different things to do. But I'm going to, on the computer, send you out a daily schedule. And it's just going to have some different times for you to work. Okay? It's just some suggestions so that you can get everything done. You do not have to finish everything in 1 or 2 days. You have the whole week to do your work packet. You remember when we were doing math homework and some of you would be finished in 2 days? You do not have to finish quickly. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to have your work done. Now, the other thing Miss Pena says is that you need to have mom or dad take a picture of you. Take a picture of you doing some reading, take a picture of you doing some math, and send it to me so that we'll know that you're doing some work. Okay? Now, the third announcement for you is that I want to make sure that before reading, you need to do iReady reading for 30 minutes. And then before you do math, do iReady math for 30 minutes. Okay? Now, if you would, please look at this, because in the reading plan, you're going to see reading. you're going to see a chapter book. We're going to read a book next week called Monster in the Mangrove. And here's the link for it. If that link doesn't work, click on this icon. Double click it twice. Here's PE activities for the week. Click on this link and it'll take you to some PE work. If you cannot open it, click on this icon, okay? Alrighty, boys and girls, I am so excited to see you. And so I will talk to you on Friday at 12 noon, okay? Goodbye. Have a good night.